Hi, pretty. You ready for school?
Yes.
Yes, you look so pretty. Are you getting a fish today?
Yes.
Yes.
Knows who having a fish?
Who?
But know who's gonna buy the fish?
Who?
We're gonna have that cool.
I know. Who's bringing it? How about our fish? You want to bring one of our fish?
No.
Look at, here comes kissing.
Kissy, kissy.
Kissy. Kissy, kissy.
She went away. She's in the castle. She's scared now. Oh, that's she is.
Tyler, come here. Here she comes. Hey, good morning.
There. Up. Up. Right there. Right there. She's fast.
She's being silly today, huh?
Yeah. Oh, she sees the camera on her. Maybe she doesn't like the camera.
Maybe.
Maybe she's scared about the camera.
Maybe. You guys ready to leave? Mac, are you ready to leave, sweetie? Come on. All right, let's go.
Bye, Kissy, Kissy.
Let's go, let's go. Out the door, girls. Come on.
I need them.
I'll have to give it to you tomorrow.
I don't have lunch money.
No, we'll have to give it to you tomorrow. I have to get you a juicy here.
She said when we take her, she's put it in my backpack.
Please?
Please. Put it in my backpack, please. Backpack!
Okay, let's go.
I won't put it in my backpack.
I will in a minute. Come on.
Put it in my backpack.
I will when we get downstairs. Stop yelling. Gonna go?